Why alcohol causes impotence. Pre-sex boozing decreases blood flow to your penis, reduces the intensity of your orgasm, and can dampen your level of excitement. In other words, even if you are able to have sex, it may not be nearly as pleasurable as it would be without the excess alcohol. Long-term alcohol abuse affects the nervous system and impairs the impulses between the brain's pituitary gland and the genitals. The nervous system is responsible for triggering the signals that dilate and relax the blood vessels in the penis, resulting in an erection. A number of treatment options are available to help overcome the problem. Alcohol-related impotence can be treated successfully. It just takes some time and effort on your part. But it certainly is worth it in the end. If you liked the video, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next, goodbye, take care, stay healthy.